Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming power and eliminating simple hardware issues. Plug the original charger in and wait 5 minutes to see if the battery indicator appears. If not, try a second cable or charger. Make sure the charging port is clean. Use compressed air or a toothpick gently. Once done, remove any SD cards or USB accessories that can block boot. These steps isolate power faults and rules out external factors, so you can move to deeper fixes. Next, you perform controlled restarts to clear transient faults and test software. Force restart by holding power and volume down for 10-20 seconds. This often recovers unresponsive screens without data loss. If it boots, swipe into Settings and enter Safe Mode to see if a third-party app causes crashes. While in Safe Mode, inspect storage and clear caches until at least 10 to 20% free. These steps pinpoint whether the issue is system-level or app-related and guide your recovery path. Finally, you move to decisive fixes after backups. First, backup photos and files to cloud or a computer. Once secure, attempt an OS update via Settings or Recovery Mode because updates often fix firmware bugs. If updates fail or the tablet remains unstable, perform a factory reset from recovery. This restores system defaults but erases personal data. Make sure to test hardware buttons, touchscreen, speakers, and Wi-Fi after reset. If problems persist, record error messages and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.